Well, it's day 2 of Pintastic, and you might remember 2.5 years ago, I interviewed Jeff, who was selling hot sauce, which was a little bit different from Pintastic. Well, 2.5 years have passed, and the inventory has increased. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different types of hot sauce. So Jeff, you've been very busy, I take it.
I've been. Good to see you, Pete.
Yeah.
Good to be back at Pintastic. That was so much fun, like you said, 2.5 years ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm back. I'm working with the farm now, even closer than I was before. So I'm getting all my peppers from them. They're Dutton Farm out of Newfane, Vermont.
Now, and just to clarify, you make all of these sauces yourself. All of these brands and mixtures you've been done yourself. Now, tell us about some of the new ones. Now, I remember the Mango Madness was here before. My son really liked the Mango Madness. Let's run through the ones that are the old favorites and the new stuff.
Sure. This is brand new. This is literally hot off the press. It's called Pull Over. Tales from Silk City. It's designed to look like the old EC comic books.
I remember the stuff from the 50s.
Stuff, yeah. It says
very appropriate for this event too.
Exactly. It says pull over before this sauce blows out your blank, and it features a couple of guys on this label, the Ski Mask Collective podcast, who are big fans of Silk City. So I did them the honor of putting them on the label. Had the artists sort of render them into it. This is a blend of habanero, fatali peppers, red serrano, and a proprietary new method I have of making sauce even hotter than it ordinarily is. I'll share that secret. Why not? I'm making the sauce like I ordinarily do with fresh peppers right from the farm into the bottle. And in addition to the peppers, I'm juicing fresh peppers. So I'm adding freshly squeezed hot pepper juice into the sauce. So it gives it like almost an ethereal vibe. You have Slurp.
Now, is Slurp another one new?
Yeah, Slurp is relatively new. It features peaches, honey, and a blend of peppers.
So it's a sweeter sauce.
That's on the sweet side, yeah.
And what's the Badass Jew over here?
Badass Jew features comedian.
I noticed that there seems to be a lot more empty Badass Jews than the other ones.
Yeah,
that's been very popular?
The Badass Jew, I don't know if it's because it's the eve of Shabbat.
That's true.
But Badass Jew features a 4 chili blend.
Too.
Hanukkah's coming November this year.
Yeah.
It's a 4 chili blend with serrano, jalapeno, habanero, and cherry peppers with tomatoes and roasted garlic. It reminds people of a spicy salsa. So it's like a medium heat sauce.
So if you go through these over here, which are the hottest, which are the medium, and which are the mild that we have? Is there anything mild?
The milder sauces are down below. They have respectable levels of heat. So what's mild for us is probably a medium for regular store-bought.
So that's Aztec Attack and Just Joking, very serious buffalo sauce. Now, I don't remember Aztec Attack before.
Aztec Attack is new as well. It's a green sauce, or verde. It features fresh jalapeno. I kick it up with some habanero. There's some pear and apple cider in here as well. So it helps offset the heat with the sweet. It's nice.
And the Just Joking buffalo sauce is?
Just Joking, it's a buffalo sauce that's reminiscent of your traditional store-bought buffalo sauce, but it's kicked up with some habanero, a pinch of ghost, just a pinch, which activates when you cook it with the wings, so it gives it a little more heat than what you might be used to. Check this out. This is, we're in Vermont, we're based in Vermont, so this is a maple syrup infused with habanero and ghost peppers.
So maple syrup with habanero and ghost pepper.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get a kick if you put that on your pancake.
Yeah. This will get you going. If you're heading out skiing or something like that.
Wake you up in the morning.
Yeah. The hot experiment is a traditional habanero sauce with smoked serranos. So it has like the nice kick from the habanero. It's very savory. There's roasted onions and garlic and smoked serrano.
And I noticed the Billy Big's Chipotle also is a maple sauce. This one over here.
This is the Chipotle features maple as well. It's smoked jalapenos, roasted red pepper, roasted garlic, onions, and maple. That's Bobby Biggs. That's comedian Bob Biggerstaff on the label. Who the artist rendered him much smaller than he was at the time when he drew the label. But God bless Bob. He lost a lot of weight. He recently got married. He looks great. He actually looks like the guy on the label.
So he conformed to the label. Now, do you sell these mail order as well, or strictly at shows like this?
I do. As a matter of fact, go to silkcityhotsauce.com, and for all Pete's listeners and fans out there, use the coupon code FIRE, F-I-R-E, to save 20%. And the website is fully interactive, and you can choose 2 packs, 3 packs, 4 packs, 5 packs, or 6 packs, or just buy 1 bottle. SilkCityHotSauce.com.
Now, I do want to ask you this question. Obviously, I've seen you at the shows here, and I presume you do other shows and the like. With COVID, were people seeking out stuff like that because they were at home? Did it help a little bit in that regard, even though you weren't as visible at shows?
Yeah, it was amazing. When COVID first hit and everybody locked down, I started getting creative, started making sauces, kept at it, started building fans on Twitter out of all social media platforms.
And where are you on Twitter?
Silk City Hot.
Silk City Hot. I'll make sure I tweet that out when I do the post tomorrow as well.
And my Twitter people or family, as I like to think of them, have been really supportive for the past 1.5 to 2 years.
So the irony is, the isolation did they give you the time to make some of the new ones because
it did,
of it?
Yeah, the time being at home. Last time I saw you, I was here with my wife. She was pregnant. Well, she obviously made something happen since the last time we saw each other. So we've been home raising the baby as well.
So my congratulations.
Thank you.
On that. Well, again, thank you so much for your time. Glad to see you're still bopping along and that the COVID hasn't knocked you out. The website one more time and the Twitter address one more time.
SilkCityHotSauce.com, SILK City, CITY hotsauce.com. That's the website, and find me on Twitter at Silk City Hot.
And Facebook?
Silk City Hot Sauce on Facebook as well.
All right. Thank you very much.
Good to see you.
Good to be seen.